Hi guys, welcome back to the channel again. My name is Narender and in today's video we shall be talking about RBI Grade B 2025 notification update. I've been referring to multiple Telegram groups and channels and there is one common query that everyone is asking that when the notification gonna be out, because we have been preparing for this examination from past couple of months and maybe years as well, and now we only have hope of the notification to be out as early as possible, because right now we are not confident. Right now we don't have that motivation that once the notification gonna be when the notification gonna be out and we'll be starting the revision classes again, because we have already done the revision. So everything is going very low. We are not motivated enough, we are not confident enough, we don't know what we should do, whether we should prepare for any other examination or we should keep on preparing for this examination. So I want to tell you that nobody has an idea as to when the notification gonna be out or specific month or date. It's just an assumption, it's just in clarity based on the experience, based on multiple parameters, but nobody has the clarity. But of course, notification will be out. That is something which I'm telling you again, based on my experience as well. Secondly, if you have been preparing for this examination, I will just say this, that keep on preparing for the examination, do very well in your examination, and focus on your RBI first of all, and secondly, keep a plan B as well. NABARD gonna be coming very soon. So if you want to get into, or if you want to get into a regulatory body apart from RBI, and if you're not serious with RBI right now, because a lot of queries, a lot of confusion, a lot of fear is being revolving around. So in that case, what you can do is you can prepare for NABARD examination as well. 95% of the content is overlapping. Only AID section has to be covered. So I believe if you are a serious aspirant, if you have covered that much chunk for RBI Grade B, you can surely prepare and you can really do well for your NABARD examination as well. Okay, so keep on preparing for the examination. Notification gonna be out anytime soon. I don't want you to regret now, stop studying, and once the notification gets out you regret at that particular time as well, that why didn't I kept my revision on, and why I didn't prepare well for this particular examination. I prepared very well from last 1 year, but from past 2 months I didn't prepare, and that costed me in the entire year again. And the same thing gonna happen next year as well, because see, in UPSC you have calendar. For these regulatory body examinations you don't have a specific calendar that, oh, in this, at this particular month or this particular date the notification gonna be out and they're gonna be prelims, then on this date you're gonna be mains and the interview part, right? So you have to be a bit smart. You have to keep this journey uh, going as far as possible, because it's August, then you have September, October. No, you still have 4 months and you're targeting 2025 examination for the RBI. So please don't lose hope. Keep on preparing for the examination. If you need my help, my guidance, you can reach out to me. I want to give one tip here. If you feel that there is lack of strategy, there is a lack of planning that is going around right now, because it's a do or die situation, because notification is not out yet, then there is a planner. There is a platform with the name Achievers Kit, who are providing you the monthly planner, weekly planner, to do diary. So you can take their kit. I'll be putting the description link in the description as well. They're doing really well. They will be providing you with a weekly plan, monthly plan, diary, and a to-do list, which of course gonna push you to prepare well for the examination. It's gonna help you to write down all the important things, and whatever you want to do, that you can do with their planners. I have heard from couple of students that it is a good planner altogether. It will be an empty planner, of course you have to fill in, but it gonna be full independence, full freedom from their side. They'll just deliver it to you and you will be able to make your own plan for next 2 months, 3 months, or whatever timeline that you want to make. Do that, and in the comment let me know what exactly you're doing right now in the comment section. Are you still preparing for RBI Grade B? Are you still motivated, passion, have that same zeal that you had earlier when you started your preparation? If not, then also please do let me know, so that I can maybe come live and take a mentorship session or the counseling session with you guys, and I'll be glad if I'll be able to guide you. I'll be able to motivate you. I'll be able to understand what exactly are the problems which I didn't able to touch on my YouTube channel as well, so that I can come up with more and more videos that gonna not only be beneficial to you but for other aspirants as well apart from you. That's all in this particular video. Thank you so much. Check out the link of the kit through the description part. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.